In the last video, we have learned how to give output to the screen. In this video, we will learn how to get input from the user and then output it to the screen. To do that, we need a variable to store the information given by user. Every variable must have a specific data type. And in this case, our variable will be integer type because we'll get an integer number from the user and we need an integer variable to store it. Let's create an integer variable called number. Write int number. Int is referring to integer data type and number is the variable name. Now let's ask user to enter a number. We can do this using puts or printf function. Write printf, please enter a number. Now it's time to get the input from the user, and there are many ways we can get input. In this case, we will use a function called Scanf. Type Scanf inside bracket, use parenthesis, inside parenthesis write %d, get out of the parenthesis, type comma and macro end, then the variable name. This %d is a format specifier for integer data type. And this macro end referring to the variable where we need to store this data. So whatever user will enter will be stored in this variable called number. Now let's output this number to the screen. Type printf, the number you have entered is %d. Close the parenthesis, give a comma and type in the variable name. Here it is number. Again, this %d is referring to the data type of the variable. And this is the place where the number will be printed. Before compiling, make sure you have no spelling mistakes and ended every statement with a semicolon. Our program is asking for a number. Let's enter 10. Press enter. As you can see, it is showing the number you have entered is 10. %d got replaced by the number. The program is available for download in the video description. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next video and please do subscribe.